What's up guys, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the third brake light on this 2023 BMW. This is the 3 Series. So this is slightly different than the 21 model because the new third brake light, it has extra clips that you gotta push now to get the cover out from this from the frame of it. So you gotta pop these 2 clips first on the front. You gotta pop the upholstery a little bit from the corners here, and then you gotta get your hand behind this cover so you can push this little latch right here. You gotta push it forward so you can get it out. So you gotta be very careful with this cover, because if you just pull it down from the front, you're gonna break this clip, or you're gonna break this clip, this area here from the framing. So just be careful with it. So pull the first cover out, I'm sorry, from this side first, pop the upholstery a little bit, and then get your hand behind it and push the little clip to the front, which is this one right here. And then you gotta go with the little tool right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a little clip right there. You gotta push it to the side. You can use this tool also and put it between here and push it out that way. So push it on this area, push it out. Same with the other side, and the brake light will come off. And then just remove the plug from here, and you can remove the third brake light. So you can do the window tinting or replace it if you need to replace it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.